Start over.
Hotel tour of the Kansas Hotel. We have in Marquette, we have a very special guest with us today. We have Mrs. Mercedes plus her kids, Ava, and her daughter Ava, and stepdaughter Callie. So let's go ahead and get in and let's take a picture. Ava, hey Callie.
Oh, I missed you.
Yeah.
Were you going to introduce your special guest?
We have Callie, Ava, and one and only Mrs. Mercedes, my best on the camera.
What happened to the camera? All right, go. Take him on the tour.
What about you? You gotta go in.
Yeah, I'll follow you. You're the leader.
Okay. So good. Here's the front desk.
I'm going to pack in front desk lady. I'll catch up with you.
Oh,
Okay, buddy.
Okay. I'm tour guide, so there's a pool right here. We'll start looking at that.
Look what they got.
I know.
Diet Coke machine.
So if you want to get your Diet Coke, we have a Diet Coke machine. And it's a pretty good hotel. We're not staying, it's just a hotel. Like, just invited. No. Ooh, look at that. There's now nice. Down here you can see a very okay. So this is a new phone my mom got. Cool. Okay. Camera, this does one, but we kind of lost it, so here's my yep, Diet Coke machine. This Mercedes loves that.
That's right.
Alright, probably has to run in the family. I'm gonna go see what mine. She's gonna give you a room key. What?
I'm gonna try and see if we can get a room for you to look at.
Just to look at.
Oh, nice.
Oh, what do you say?
Thanks.
Okay, but you know what? Your video is still going. It's going to be a very,
Long video?
yeah. Want to pause it?
Sure.